Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do it, simply press and hold the up button for a second or two and the menu will appear on the screen. After you open the menu, you can use the down and up buttons to scroll through the menu. Now let's scroll through the menu, find the option called Wi-Fi, select it, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. And here make sure that the status is switched to on, because we need to turn on the Wi-Fi to connect to networks. And once the Wi-Fi is turned on, you can scroll down, select the option called My Networks and press start. And here we can see the list of networks we are connected to on our watch, but as you can see we don't have any. So to connect to the Wi-Fi network, select Add Network, press Start. The watch will start looking for the nearby networks, and once it's done you will see the list of networks. As you can see, find the network you want to connect to, select it and press Start. And now you will need to enter the password, and once you enter the password you will need to select the check mark and press start to confirm. So give me a couple of seconds, I'm gonna enter the password. And once you enter the password and confirm, the watch will start connecting to the network, and after it's done you will see connection successful. And the network will appear right here on the list of my networks, which means that the watch is connected to this network. So that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. To disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, you need to open this menu, My Networks menu, scroll down through the list of networks, select the network you want to disconnect from, press Start, scroll down, select Remove, press Start, select Yes and press Start to remove it. And once you remove it, the watch will disconnect from this network. And after you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.